Hello, my name is Stanley Dean. I'm a certified public accountant in the Atlanta, Georgia area, and I just want to take a few minutes to discuss how Emerald with Camel Tech has helped us in our firm. We decided to work with Emerald a little over a year ago, and he helped us evaluate different project management systems, Monday.com and ClickUp and a few others. And we decided on ClickUp, and Emerald has been instrumental in helping us set it up and use it going forward. He helped with the structure as well as setting up the tasks and the automation and dashboards. And Emerald's been a great resource to have and has always been very responsive. And if he didn't know something, he was quick to look it up and get back with us on how it would best work for us. We've continued to work with Emerald going forward, and I anticipate we will continue to work going forward into the future as we continue to tweak ClickUp. We've been using it a little over a year now and been very happy with our decision. I believe if you have any detailed project technology oriented that you would need for your business, I think Emerald would be a great resource for you. I can't speak highly enough about him, and I would highly recommend him for your business. Thank you.